What's up, guys? Gonna take everybody through a day in the life of finished basement contractor here. So give you guys a little taste of what we got going on a daily basis and what you get when you hire us. So we'll just bring you through step by step. We hit Home Depot early this morning. Obviously got all the guys going, and now first stop we're gonna have here is a check on the finish work of a real nice job we got going on in Manalapan, and we'll keep you guys posted. It'll be a pretty interesting day. Stay tuned. All right, so inside we're checking on things. It's looking really, really good. We got a really cool home theater set up right here. Gonna have these niches lit up with a very large screen, a linear fireplace which is sharp. Staircase looks great. We actually butterflied the staircase here with this little niche. Check out this bathroom. It's got some great tile. We're just about wrapping this up. Pretty neat. We got a wall hung toilet, real modern looking. Very cool. Very, very cool. So quick glance around the rest of the basement. We got this kitchenette / wet bar right here. TV going up on the wall there. Warming drawer, microwave. What I love about this basement is all these exterior windows. Nice big space. So coming along. All right, we got another walkout entrance here. We did a bathroom with some beadboard, little powder room here, half bath. We got little counter bar set up right here. The open stairs. What's really cool about this is we got a sensory room here for the kids, and little monkey bars, rock climbing wall. We got a changing room in there. Got all kinds of apparatuses that are going to get hung here. And then in the TV area, we're going to have this hidden bookshelf right there, and we're matching it with a standard bookshelf over there. Nice, cool basement. Coming out really well. All right.